Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. So today I'm going to show you this holiday glam makeup tutorial. So this is the season where we are going to lots of party and holiday and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how you can glam up yourself and make yourself the center of attention. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to do my eyebrows. I have already done my eyebrow off camera. Now I'm taking my MAC Prolong Wear Concealer and the shade is NC35 and I'm curving out my eyebrows to make my eyebrows more dramatic, and I'm applying this on my lid as well. This gonna act like a eyeshadow primer. After blending this concealer very well, I'm gonna apply this shimmery highlighter on my brow bone and my inner corner. Then I'm gonna start blending out this gorgeous maroon eyeshadow on my crease directly with a Morphe MB23 blending brush. This blending brush is my most favorite one and the shade name is Amber. And then I'm gonna apply this dark brown shade, and I'm using my Sigma blending brush and blending my crease very well to make my crease more defined, and the shade name is Out. And then I'm gonna apply the same brown eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyes and blending this very well. As you can see, I haven't used any scotch tape or cello tape on my eyes this time because I want a very blended look. I don't want any sharp edges, and I'm blending this on the lower part of my eyes as well. At this point my eye makeup is look very messy, I know, but we're gonna fix this, don't worry. Keep watching this video. And then I am taking the orange eyeshadow from this palette and applying this on my lower lashes and blending it very well. You just get a messy hair and keep blending your eyeshadow. You will see the final result very soon. And then I'm cutting my crease with my MAC Prolong Wear Concealer. I'm just cutting my crease halfway through and I'm filling the crease with the same concealer, and I'm using a Bdellium Tools angle brush for this. You don't need to be very precise here because we are going to apply some glitter afterwards. Then I'm gonna apply the shade called Blood. This is a very beautiful shimmery color, and I'm gonna apply this all over my lid where I have already applied the concealer. For this I'm using a Zoeva shader brush. So then I'm gonna do a outline with my Sigma eyeliner brush. I'm not gonna apply the eyeliner now, I'm just doing an outline here. Now I'm gonna apply this beautiful copper glitter from Certified Cosmetics. And first I'm applying some glitter glue. This is the e.l.f. glitter glue. I'm applying this on my lid, and then I'm gonna apply this beautiful glitter on top of that. And for this I'm using a non-branded angle brush. So now you can see why I have done my outline before. I'm just skipping that area where I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. And then I am taking a makeup wipes and wiping out any extra eyeshadow. That's why I didn't use any cello tape, because I think this gonna look very beautiful rather than using a cello tape. And then I am applying some brow gel. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills and this is a clear brow gel. And now I'm gonna do a fierce wing liner, and for this I'm using my Maybelline ink liner. This is a very black and matte eyeliner and it's waterproof as well. And now moving on to my face makeup. First I'm using my Embryolese cream concentrate. This is a moisturizer and a primer 2-in-1. So I'm applying this all over my face, and then I'm gonna color correct my face with LA Girl orange corrector, and I'm applying this on my under eye area and around my mouth area and my nose area to hide any dark circle and pigmentation. Then I am blending this with a blending brush. If you don't want any ashy look on your face, you have to color correct your face before you apply the foundation. Then I'm gonna apply my foundation. This is my most favorite foundation nowadays. This is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation and my shade is Latte, and I am just dotting all over my face. You just need a tiny amount of foundation if you were using this, and I am buffing this foundation with my Real Technique brush. This is literally a full coverage foundation. As you can see, it's covering all my imperfection. Now I'm highlighting my face with my Maybelline Age Divine Concealer and the shade is Neutralizer. I'm applying this under my eye area, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and I'm blending this with my Real Technique Miracle Sponge. Then I'm taking my Primark Rose Powder. This is gonna make a big difference. This is actually a brightening powder, and I am applying this under my eye area, around my nose area and my forehead where I have already applied my highlighter. And for rest of my face, I am applying my MAC Studio Fix powder and the shade is NC35. Now I am contouring my face with my Zoeva contour kit, and I am contouring my cheek hair. Then I am gonna contour my forehead, my jawline and my nose as well. And now I am applying a little bit Rcma no color powder on my cheek area to give my face a little bit more definition, and I'm applying this under my eye area, on my nose area and around my mouth area where I tend to get oily during the day. Now I'm going to finish my rest of the eye makeup. I am applying the same amber shade under my eye area, blending this very well. And now I am applying a few coats of Maybelline waterproof mascara on my lower lashes. And then I am dusting off any excess powder from my face. After this, I am applying this peachy blush from BH Cosmetics Glamorous Blush Palette. And then I'm gonna apply my favorite highlighter. This is Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and this is the pink edition palette, and I'm applying this shade on my cheekbone. See the glow, and I am using my blank canvas F15 brush. And then I'm taking an angle brush and applying the same highlighter on the bridge of my nose. After that, I'm going to apply this beautiful shade from Huda Beauty, and the shade name is Icon. And to set my makeup, I'm gonna spray my Too Faced setting spray. I'm covering my eyes because my eyes are a little bit sensitive right now, so I don't want to get the spray in my eyes. That's why I'm covering my eyes. Now I'm gonna wait a couple of minutes and my makeup is done. So yeah, here is my final look. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can follow me on all of my social media, especially on Snapchat, because I'm very active on Snapchat. So see you all in my next tutorial. Until then,